I finally know why I like Sakura so much. I finally understand. My stomach! What timing?
Hey, what's the matter?
Then you'll have to admit that I'm the best! Get ready, Sasuke! Hurry back again! It's back again! Be like that? Sasuke must have transformed into Sakura to get back at me. Trying to trick me, eh, wise guy? Well, forget it. Why is this happening again?
He's eating it.
Hmm? I'm right behind you. Sorry to keep you waiting. Just a second. I'll be right there. Oh, man. My stomach's not feeling so hot.